Is your Nintendo Switch not turning on? This issue often stems from power-related problems, fuse issues, or battery depletion. First, ensure your AC adapter is the official Nintendo one, rated 15 volts 2.6 amps, and properly connected to a working outlet. Try a soft reset by holding the power button for 12 seconds. If that doesn't work, the internal resettable fuse might have tripped due to a power surge. The goal of the next steps is to drain any residual power to allow the fuse to self-heal and recalibrate the battery management system. To begin the battery reset, leave the switch completely undocked from any power source and ensure it's powered off. Allow it to sit undisturbed for at least 24 hours to fully drain any residual charge. This process helps reset the battery management system and can resolve issues from deep discharge states. After the 24-hour drain period, connect the switch to its original charger and let it charge for several hours without interruption. It's normal for the screen to remain black at first, as the battery needs time to recover. This step can fix calibration issues that prevent the console from powering on. After charging, attempt to turn on the switch by pressing the power button. If it boots normally, the battery reset has resolved the issue. However, if it still won't power on, the problem likely involves internal hardware, such as a tripped fuse in the power circuit. If the console still fails to power on after charging, the internal fuse may need replacement. Nintendo Switches do not have user-serviceable fuses, so professional repair services are required. Importantly, avoid attempting to open the console yourself, as this will void the warranty and could cause further damage. Should the battery and fuse reset not resolve the problem, contact Nintendo customer support directly. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or arrange for official repairs under warranty if applicable.